Okay, let's solve this quadratic equation, and we're going to use algebra tiles during the process. The first thing we need to do is set it equal to 0, so I'm going to move him over. And then the next thing we have to do is get rid of the negative. So my students have already had prior exposure to algebra tiles. We've already talked about how to factor out the greatest common factor. So that part has already been done. And they've practiced using algebra tiles. They've had prior exposure again. If you do not know how to use algebra tiles, in the description below I put an introduction video. Go ahead and watch that and then come back to this. It'll make more sense. So let's make sure we did everything correctly. We added 3. It's now set equal to 0. Factored out a negative. He becomes positive. He becomes positive. He becomes negative. Okay, so what we're going to use the algebra tiles to do is this piece. And it says that I need 2x squared, so that would be that. I need 5 x's, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'm going to turn them over because I don't need the negative. I need the positive. And then I need 3 negatives, and I need them red. Okay, now I need to try to make a triangle. Very simple. So I am just going to make I said triangle. Try to make a rectangle. That's funny. Okay, and I'm going to see if I can get it. Okay, and I'm almost there, but I notice something's not working there. It has to be a perfect rectangle. So I was talking with a teacher the other day, and they were saying when factoring, it is so much easier to start off with the x squared terms and then the constant terms. So if we start off here with a and c, and then try to fit everything else around it. So let's try that. And if I can do that, let's see if this works. Okay. Now, I notice that I'm missing something here. Well, when that happens, that's a 0 pair. So I need a negative and a positive. Okay. And it won't change the value of what I have. Now I have to be careful, since all of these here are green, and I need to keep the green together. And that's very important to know. And now I'm going to put the red down here, and we did it. We're complete. So what does this mean? Well, this means, I'm running out of algebra tiles here. The length of this would be x. The length of this would be x. And then I have a 1. And it's red because he's red. So this is x plus x minus 1. That means this side is 2x minus 1. And then we do the top. The length of this is x. The length of this is positive 1. It's going to be yellow. Need 2 more, positive 1. And then positive 1. And what does that give us? X plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is x plus 3. So we have our 2 binomials. And what I want to do is show you the box, which is here, just to check my work and see if it's really correct. So I have 2x here, and then minus 1. and then I had x plus 3 at the top. So this is 2x squared, this is minus x, this is plus 6x, and this is minus 3. And 6 minus 1 is positive 5. So this is correct. Now we find the solutions by using the zero product rule. And x equals 1/2. Add 1 to both sides. 2x equals 1 divided by 2. X is 1/2. And then subtract 3 on both sides. And we have our two solutions. Thank you for watching.